We rang up 5 or 6 different companies. Esteem was the only company to come out to us straight away, give us a quote straight away, and we were happy with the quote and went along with the job. The purpose of renovation was to get a bifold window put in and a breakfast bar put out to the outdoor area, which converted into a whole new kitchen. They delivered everything they promised and more, and it was delivered well within the time frame. More than happy with the time frame. The communication was great. I'd text him, he'd ring me back straight away and keep me in the loop of everything, time frame, what was going on, what was getting delivered. It was really good. There was virtually no hiccups at all. One tiny one, which I didn't know about till afterwards, and he fixed it without me even knowing. It just wasn't even really a problem. The supplier delivered the wrong doors, but they fixed the problem without even me knowing about it. "100% happy. There's not a thing I can fault about it. If there was a problem, he fixed it, and there is no issues with anything. Everything's great. I love it." Yes, I would recommend Esteem, and I already have. Someone asked me the other day if they need a builder, and I'd recommend them to do any work. They're great.